is Noble Strength, and welcome to my channel. Happy Labor Day to you all. I hope you all are enjoying this day off, if it is your day off. And if you're not, I still hope you're enjoying your day. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you a fall ready haul from Grapent and the LookBook Store. They reached out to me and wanted to share some of their fall pieces, and I say, why not? Fall is just around the corner. I think we have like 2.5 weeks, if that, left of summer, and I love fall. Even though spring is my favorite season, I actually love fall, especially the beginning of fall. The air is crisp, the leaves are, just starting to change colors, and I just absolutely love it. So Grapent and the LookBook Store, which are sister stores on Amazon, have been gracious enough to allow me to choose 10 items to share with you today. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be styling these pieces, taking a look at them. If you are into shopping on a budget, if you like quality clothes at a reasonable price like I do, then Grapent and the LookBook Store are definitely for you. You can find them, like I say, on Amazon. Just Google the LookBook Store and Google Grapent and it will pop right up. And then you can just browse through and see what they have. Really, really nice pieces. So if you're into fashion, you're into style, then stick around because that's what we're going to be doing here today. And I definitely want to be hearing from you in the comments below. Make sure you click like and subscribe and the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload more videos. All right, let's jump over and see what I picked out. I am so ready to share with you what I picked out. These are essentials for the fall, in my opinion, and that's why I chose them. I think if you have anything like this in your closet, then you're definitely fall ready. But if you don't have anything like this in your closet, definitely check out Grapent and the LookBook Store because the deals are on point. So the first item I'm going to share with you are a pair of jeans. Now these jeans are like a charcoal gray. They have a button fly, 5-button fly, and they are distressed. And I chose these because I have a ton of blue denim in various shades, but I did not have any kind of washed black or gray pants, and so I got these, and I did not have any distressed pants, so I wanted to go for something different. Now, if you carry a lot of weight in your hips, then this has a lot of stretch. You don't have to worry about that. Everything that I purchased in a size medium. They do have a sizing chart so you can choose accordingly, but these are just so super comfortable. I absolutely love them. They have a tapered leg, so this will look great with booties, with boots, with long cardigans, oversized sweaters, blazers, you name it. So many different ways you can rock this. So I got these because I'm definitely going to be intermixing them with a few of the pieces that I also picked up. This is the next item that I picked up, and that is this heavyweight flannel shirt. Now, I will be wearing this as a light jacket because it is so heavy. It does kind of itch just a little bit. If you have sensitive skin, it's not quite like wool, but it does kind of have an itchiness to it, so you might want to layer it with a thin t-shirt or something underneath. And I layered mine with a tank top underneath and a turtleneck, so it didn't bother me. But if you're gonna want to wear this alone, just keep that in mind. But it is a very high quality heavyweight flannel. Love this plaid colors, definitely great fall colors. You got that pumpkin orange and this kind of mustardy tan and your browns and your grays. Just really nice, and the buttons are really nice. You have pockets on the front. You also have buttons on the sleeve, so you can roll your sleeve up and kind of cuff it a little bit. And I love the lapel. So like I say, this is very heavyweight, but really, really great for layering. That I chose was this long cardigan in leopard print. Leopard print is here to stay. It's not going anywhere. It's gonna be with us. It's just like a neutral. It goes with so much. And I just love leopard. I have a lot of leopard print in my closet, so I thought, why not have this join the rest of the pieces that I have? It has really nice button detailings on it. So it has those type of buttons, really, really nice and heavyweight. Has a nice knitted material, cotton, and I just absolutely love it. It has pockets in the front here, and it's really, really long. So this would look great with leggings, jeans, you name it. So the next item that I picked up from the LookBook store is this black long top with this faux kind of tie on the side. I love that kind of ruching effect that it gives, and I like that it's long. So once again, this is great to wear with leggings, jeans, some long boots. Love it. And it is a nice weight. It's a medium weight, not quite as heavy as these two items that I showed, but it has some weight to it. So you could wear it alone and be fine on a cool day, but it's still thin enough to where you could wear it underneath a jacket. So really, really love this. Just a nice basic. So this is kind of early fall, especially for us here in Georgia. So you can get away with wearing a short sleeve look. So this is kind of like a chambray denim, kind of crop effect, not too high, kind of like a medium crop, but I absolutely love this. You could wear this tucked or untucked and still look pulled together. So I was thinking of wearing a denim on denim for this look. Very basic, very simple, and you can unroll the sleeves or roll the sleeves, but really, really nice. So now we're gonna move into what I chose from Grapent. So Grapent has a really nice selection, a little bit different selection than the LookBook store. I chose this kind of athletic leisure jogger set. So it has this nice top with the stripe detailing on the sleeves, and then you have the jogger pants that are tapered at the leg with the stripe on the bottom, and then they tie at the waist. So it has a lot of, you know, nice stretch to it. Really like this piece. When you put them together, they look like a jumpsuit, but without the, you know, hassle of maybe a jumpsuit, even though I love jumpsuits. And then the next thing that I picked up was this dark denim shirt. I have some denim shirts, but not in this dark wash. This almost looks black, but it's super, super dark, and I thought it would look great with these jeans that I picked up. So I'll be wearing those together. And let me know in the comments below how you would style your super dark denim. I'd love to hear from you, but this is a nice piece for the fall as well. So now to the outer wear. I picked up some blazers. Now blazers are a must-have for the fall. Absolutely love blazers. So I picked up this nice kind of smooth lapel-less jacket, if you will, very tailored. It's an olive green, so I could wear it with a lot. I could wear this with camo. I could wear it with my black on black. Just a really nice look. And you have this little hooking feature here for closing it here, so it's a very clean look. You have the darts up here, very, very tailored, just plain in the back. I chose this blazer. So this one has a lapel. You also have your checker pattern, and by the way, both blazers are fully lined, which I love. This one has a button, and you also have pockets on the front, and these are actual pockets. And this blazer also has pockets as well. But I love this print on here. So you have that kind of mustard color, your browns, very nice fall colors, very business-like. So I can't wait to style that. And last but not least, I chose this parka with this faux fur around the collar. You have your gold detailing here with the zipper pull and on your pockets, which are actual pockets. Very nice puffer coat. So if you're into that puffer type look, then you'll like this. And you can turn the neck up on this, and it has your snap closure, so you can be nice and snug and warm when the cool, brisk fall air hits you. But really great for layering. Absolutely love it. So those are the pieces that I chose that I think will have you ready for the fall. That is it. That's what I chose. And now I'm going to style them for you. I know a lot of you like my mod shots, and I appreciate, you know, your comments and kind words. So let's go ahead and jump right into the modeling shots. I'm going to give you a couple of looks for each piece, if I can, and I definitely want to hear from you in the comments below what you like, how you would style it, all that good stuff. So stick around. you all enjoyed this haul from Grapent and the LookBook Store, and I hope you are now fall ready. The whole purpose of this video is to share with you some quality clothing items that are at really good prices, because you know I love a bargain. And not only that, I want to kind of give you some, inspiration for how you can mix and match things, especially if you have a limited wardrobe. As you saw, I only had 10 pieces and I kind of intermixed them, and I added a few things from my closet to accessorize here and there. But overall, it doesn't take a lot to make yourself look stylish on a budget. So my name is Audrey, also known as Noble Strength. Remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you, because He loves us so much. And be sure to check out the links that I left in the description box below. And if you're still with me, I do want to announce that I am opening up my own store called New Life Art and Design. And I have a secondary artist store that is now open, and it's through the Threadless website. So go ahead and check it out. I left a link in the community tab, but I do have more coming, and more news will be coming soon. But go ahead and browse, check out some things. I have original artwork that is printed on various type of things. So if you like unique gift ideas, then you might find something that you like. But that is it. That's all I have for you. Be sure to check me out at Instagram at Noble Strength 50 and at Facebook at Noble Strength. So I will see you next time and talk to you later. Bye.